Hello to you, my beautiful YouTube family. This is your girl Claudeaz saying happy Valentine's Day to you. Wishing you all a wonderful day of love. So in celebration of Valentine's Day and in celebration of love, today I will be doing something outdoors. I will be making my jerk fish. Yes, you heard it right, jerk fish. So today everything will be cooked outside. I'll be doing my festivals, I'll be doing my fried ripe plantains, I'll be doing roast breadfruit, and also I will be doing some delicious bammies. And these bammies will be soaked in coconut milk, then they will be fried. So stay tuned, guys. Go grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So the first step is to wash your fish, and you can either use lime juice or you can use vinegar, which is what I did. This will help to just cut down the raw taste or also the raw smell. It helps a lot. So I have cut the sides of the fish, and I'm actually adding the seasoning into those sections, because what it does is it soaks the seasoning deep down into places that can be reached. Anyways, I am also using the Walker's jerk seasoning. It is a good blend of seasoning. It is as natural as it can get. So the seasoning that I'm using today is, I use the Maggi all-purpose, the Maggi fish seasoning. I use black pepper. I use all-purpose seasoning. Guys, you can just grab seasonings that you have. And for the jerk, I'm using the Walker's Wood jerk to add to my fish today. I've also have my natural seasoning, which these are what I'm going to add to my callaloo and okra filling, cooked down in coconut milk. So now that my fish is well seasoned, I'm just going to go outside and grab some callaloo. So I'm about to cut some callaloo, and this will be the stuffing that goes inside my fish. Basically just need the leaves, basically. So here we go. Don't really need a lot because it's just 3 fish I have. So just cut one more piece. So this is what I got. Alright, so the ingredients of my stuffing are ready. So I have the callaloo, which is chopped up. I have some sweet pepper, red and green. I have some onion, some scallion, some hot pepper, some thyme, and I also am going to put a piece of garlic also. So I'm just going to steam this down in with some butter, and I'm going to add a little coconut milk to this. So guys, this is basically it. I'm basically done. This is going to be the filling that goes inside of the fish. And as I said, I just add a little bit of coconut powder to this. So now I'm going to take the callaloo filling and stuff it inside the fish. already, so I'm just going to use some palm and just spray over the fish. So because these fish were so big, especially these two, I have to double wrap them or triple wrap them actually, so that the foil paper will cook them. Well, they'll be in the jerk pan anyways, but just added protection. Alright, so time to get outside. Anyone? So I'm just here testing my fish just to make sure that it's cooked. And my gosh, you need to smell the flavor. It is, trust me, it smells delicious. And of course, I have to do a taste test. Yep, it's delicious. Trust me, all of the flavors, all of the spices, everything put together, this is a delicious combination. So now that the fish is cooked, I'm just gonna open the foil paper so that there's no more water coming in from the steam. So I want this to have a dry look, you know. Yeah, so that's why I'm opening the foil paper. No man, this is so delicious. Baby, 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 baby. I have to drop a note. So I'm just gonna cover this back, as in cover the pan, like put it on the jerk pan cover and just leave it and just let it jerk. So my decoration wasn't that fancy and neat, but guess what? Oh well, I just wanted to block out the views, you know, of next door, and also try to block out the cats them, but it didn't work. But guess what? I loved it, the little setting, and it was nice, romantic, cozy.
is good.
God is great.
God is great.
Let us thank Him
Let us thank Him
for our food.
for our food.
Amen.
Amen.
Happy Valentine's Day, Kaale.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Can start eating. Careful of bone. I put the wine in the freezer and the wine start freeze. Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. We're outside under the tree, under the apple tree, and we are eating our jerk fish. So, yeah, under the tree. This is a jerk fish. So once again, thank you so much for liking, for sharing and subscribing to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you can be updated when my new videos are released. So remember, wherever you are in this world, just give a little love. It won't hurt.